Okay, so this is Cleveland, downtown Cleveland. Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I don't know what I'm doing, I just know that I'm bending. But yeah, so this video is going to be kind of different because I know there are some folks that are like, oh Esther, you've not posted any lifestyle video recently, or so I was like, you know what, let me just do something. Let me just record or do a video of my last week in December, which I'm going to be doing. So I am actually going to go down to I'm currently in Columbus, but I'm going to travel down to Kent just to see a couple of close friends and family, and I would kind of just record my experience and we'll see what happens. I honestly don't know what will be in the video yet, but we'll see. But yeah, I wanted to say a huge thank you for 100+ subscribers. Literally, I have over 100 subscribers, like unbelievable. I am flabbergasted. I am surprised. I honestly don't know what I'm saying, but yeah, thank you all for subscribing to my channel. Really appreciate it, and hopefully, this time next year as well, it would be more growth and everything, and I'm more consistent with with my videos and all, and I can just upload more. What am I saying? I'm saying rubbish. But yeah, that's going to be it. I need to actually start packing. Today is the 26th, yeah, and I'm traveling tomorrow. I'm going to be taking a road trip, my first time driving a long journey like that, because it's going to be like 2 hours long and I'm going to be driving it non-stop. Wish me luck, safe travels. Actually, by the time you watch this video, I would have been back. So yeah. Here in Cleveland, it's the festive period and you gotta find something to do. I came to visit my host family and we were like, yeah, let's go to Cleveland, and here we are. So over there. Yes. No, I have not. Okay. Nice skating rink. You want to walk over? Inside the mall now? No. And a nice Christmas tree.
So where is that relation to where we are?
Well, we were at the pillar there taking a picture. We looked down
going now. I forgot to do a video as we're entering, so I just remembered now and I'm like, okay. Oh, you got the one.
I think it's on the one to the right or left.
Say hello.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Is that new present or?
It's like a gimbal. I got it from my YouTube channel.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yes, I started a YouTube channel. I just talk about schools and admissions and stuff.
Am I on it?
Yes, you're on it now.
Hey,
Hey.
have a cookie. Okay, this is 2021.
Yes.
Christmas in Aurora, Ohio.
Yes.
With Esther.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna turn it for myself.
A little bit more. There you go.
So.
Is it recording?
Is it? I think so.
Yeah, the red zone.
Yep. Okay.
Okay.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
So you've had your stocking.
My stocking filled with gifts. And now I'm about to unbox this really nice, good looking box. Where do I start? What do I start with?
Anything. There's a couple of themes there, so when you pick one out, I'll let you know.
Okay. I'm going to remove my jacket.
Is that your dog? Are you obstinate?
It's just pro.
Oh, that's beautiful. I think it's a great shirt.
Thank you. Let's start with this. Why did you laugh?
No, it's just fun.
Oh, gotcha.
So,
A tree topper.
it is a tree
I
topper.
have a tree and I do have a tree topper, so
Okay.
it's perfect.
Oh.
Merry Christmas, Esther. Thank you.
This is our family photo. It's just a card.
Yes, I have one. Was it not last year?
I got 2 years ago.
2 years ago.
I don't think we did one last year.
I'll add it to my collection of pictures.
So that should be like cocoa bombs.
Okay, I see open more. I have more.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I feel spoiled right now.
Good.
So many kids.
Good. That's how it should be.
Oh, there's more. Okay. I thought that was the last one.
Isn't there another box? Whose box
Yeah.
is that?
Yeah, there's another box.
Oh, is that mine as well?
Uh-huh.
I guess.
Yeah.
Okay.
Keep you warm. It might make you too hot if you're indoors, but like it's good for crossing campus in the wind and cold. Super soft.
This is therapeutic.
That's what I thought. That's what I thought.
Oh, I don't think it's so much. Maybe I appreciate this. My goodness.
Whatever.
Took the video off?
Oh, I forgot. I found the video. Yes, I'll be sorry, that. Thank you.
Wow.
I am heading out to a drive-through Christmas light. I just want to go see some Christmas light. It's going to be like a drive-through Christmas light, and I've heard that it's so nice. I've never been there. This will be my first time. I'm going to drive about 45 minutes to get there. So the way it works is that when you get there, you tune into like a radio station, and then the lights would be synced with the music. However, there will be a restriction. I would not be able to play it out loud because of copyright restrictions, but I'll still show the lights at the end of my video. That would be the end of this video. I'll show the lights, but there'll be copyright restrictions, so I'll probably have to add in my own music, and I will not be able to you know, use the music that the light is synced to, basically. I hope you understand. But yeah, thank you so much for the support. I wish you a happy new year. It's not the new year yet, but I know you're going to be watching this video during the new year, so happy new year, people. Take care. Bye. Not bye yet. You see the lights, and that will be the end of this video. So yep, bye, peace.
$250 strands of light, 100 individual bulbs per strand for a grand total of 25,000 imported Italian twinkle lights. I dedicate this house to the Griswold family Christmas. Drum roll, please.